fabulous, highly sought-after resort like living in Mirabay. Amazing villa built by West Bay. This floor plan features 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths. Custom woodworking and 10-foot ceilings throughout. Covered front lanai with gorgeous sunset views. The gourmet kitchen features stainless steel appliances, upgraded granite countertops, 42 inches wood cabinetry, eat-in kitchen, and a large center island with breakfast bar. You have got to see the large walk-in pantry. The spacious master retreat has a sitting or exercise area and large walk-in closet. 2-car garage with direct access into home. Seller offering 1-year home warranty. Incredible opportunity to enjoy the coastal lifestyle of Mirabay at a very affordable prices. Unsurpassed community amenities. Lock and leave, limited maintenance lifestyle.